Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I'm going to start out with the planner supplies that I'm using. So what we're going to start out with first is the washi tape. And I've got this little container that I got from Dollar Tree to keep my washi tape in. I am not going to recommend this washi tape because I do not like these smaller ones. And then I have the productivity um, stickers from the Happy Planner sticker collection. I do like these. This one's specifically called Productivity, and it shows you on the back all the ones it'll do. And of course it's used in a Happy Planner, but I'm using it in mine and it works great. Some of them I don't always like. Like these, I, I still use them, but like your checklist, they're made, see how these are a little bit longer? It will fit in there. If it doesn't, I'll clip it or whatever. But I've used some of these in here, but you'll see how I'm using them. Some of them I haven't used, like these right here. I haven't used because I don't normally plan this way. I plan going across, not up and down. So that I don't know exactly how to incorporate that yet, unless it's a small to-do list or a goals or something else. I don't know. But other than that, I do like them. These are repositional too, and that's another thing that I like. I think these are called life stickers. I'll have to find out what the name of these are. And I got two of them. I've got this one and one that's brand new that I haven't used. And this has got 80 stickers in it. As you can see, I've used a lot of them already. And these are like uplifting quotes. Today is full of wonderful things. Perfect day, busy day, grad. How to spend our days is how we spend our lives. Like uplifting, I would say. Where in the productivity one, let me find one in here. These are more productive quotes. Like, don't stress, do your best, and forget the rest. All these are like more productive, like you can get your weight done, or, that's what is in these. And I use a lot of those in here. And then I have another one. I got this one I just recently got called Seasonal. So I have not used all the ones in this. It's also by the Happy Planner. And this one has got, like that stuff for New Year's. But you've got every season that you could think of. Season in here, holidays. But you got Thanksgiving. You've got Christmas. Hello Winter, and then all the stuff to go with that. And then you've got these back here with each season. So these go with your winter season. So you can make a little checklist if you want to, or whatever. And then you have all of these that you can do. And some of these have yay, love this, to do, the best. So this is what I'm going to use for my monthly spread. With the seasons, I think I'm going to use this one mainly for monthly. And what I don't use in the monthly, I may put a little bit in the weekly. And then I have, some pens in here that I use for I do hand lettering, or attempt to do hand lettering. So I thought, well, if I put a sticker down, I can use these thicker markers on that sticker and it won't bleed through my planner. So I have a thin one, and then I have some other thin ones with different, like one's a calligraphy pen, and I can't remember what all they are, but that's what they do. They do thick, thin, medium, and then really light. And this is a really light one too that I use to write on. And then scissors, and that's what I use to cut some of the thinner washi tapes because that's the only way I can get it to rip. And I think that's it. Everything else I have, you've already seen when I did my Dollar Tree haul. But these you can most definitely. These are a better quality sticker altogether. And these right here, they do wonderfully. And you've got 876 and the seasonal, 80 and this one, which I'll have to list down below. And then 985 of the productivity. I wanted to give you an idea of how I'm doing my spreads. This is pretty much, this was October. And you see I put a few stickers on the side and how I use those little stickers, things that I must do. I just made that on the side. But if it's something I need to remember, then I'll use those stickers. These were what I got from the Dollar Tree. These are from the Happy Planner. These are Happy Planner, that's Happy Planner, that's Happy Planner. So I'm mixing it back and forth. But did I do September? I did the same thing with September, but those were mainly, that was Dollar Tree. And then the rest of these were Happy Planners. This is what I filmed the other night, and it did not come out right at all. Half of it wasn't even in the camera, and I was like, okay, I'm going to stop, and I'm just going to do something different. But this is what I did on camera, because this is the week of Thanksgiving, and so I knew these 2 days I was going to be cleaning, so I didn't want a lot of stickers up there, because I got to clean and get the kitchen ready before I start cooking on Wednesday, and then Thanksgiving on Thursday, and then I may go Black Friday shopping on Friday. So I didn't do a lot of motivational stickers because I'm going to be super busy that week. And I wrote down banana pudding poke cake. Stay tuned for that, because while I'm making it, I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's a really, really good recipe. With the holidays coming on, that's a really good recipe to do. So this is my first one so far in the series. So if you're a beginner, please come watch me. If you're not a beginner, you can give me some tips. Let me know to help me out with this. Because like I said, I'm a beginner. I didn't like this page at all. But, it's a work in progress. I'm learning how to do things, and maybe y'all can give me some tips along the way that do decorate your planners that would help me out a little bit. I would appreciate any advice. Let me know in the comments below. If you want me to continue doing decorate videos, give me a thumbs up. That's how I know what to continue to keep doing. And y'all's thumbs ups let me know that y'all wanted to see this. So that's why I'm doing it. So y'all come back now. You hear?